Did you know that certain foods can unclog your arteries and prevent a heart attack? Quite a surprising nugget of information, isn't it? But it's true. Our heart, that tireless workhorse, is often at the mercy of our dietary choices. And it's no secret that heart health is crucial for our overall well-being. After all, it's not just a muscle, it's the engine that keeps us running. Now here's the interesting part. Our diet plays a pivotal role in maintaining heart health. Not just any diet, mind you, but one that's packed with the right kinds of food. These powerhouse foods can clear blocked arteries, the silent culprits behind heart attacks. It's like having your very own cardiac cleaning crew right on your dinner plate. So, are you ready to find out what these incredible foods are? Stay tuned, because what's coming next might just make your heart skip a beat. In the best way possible, of course. First up on our list, we have the creamy and delicious avocados. These green gems are more than just a toast topper or guacamole ingredient. They're a powerhouse of monounsaturated fats. These fats work wonders for your heart by reducing those naughty bad cholesterol levels and giving a boost to the good cholesterol. So, not only do avocados add a dollop of delight to your dishes, they also keep your heart pumping strong. Next time you're in the supermarket, don't forget to pick up some avocados. Swimming into the second spot, we have fatty fish. These aquatic delights, such as salmon, mackerel, and tuna, are teeming with omega-3 fatty acids. These nutrients are the secret agents of your body, working undercover to reduce inflammation and decrease the buildup of plaque in your arteries. Think of them as your personal cleaning crew, ensuring your arterial pathways remain smooth and obstruction-free. So, don't shy away from adding a bit of fish to your plate. It's not just a tasty treat, but a heart-healthy choice too. Crunching into the third spot, we have nuts and seeds. These tiny powerhouses are loaded with good stuff to keep your heart ticking like a well-oiled machine. They're rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are like secret agents fighting off bad cholesterol. Not to mention they're packed with fiber, giving your digestion a smooth ride. And let's not forget about vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that shields your cells from damage. So go nuts with nuts and seeds. Remember, a handful of nuts a day keeps the doctor away. For our fourth and fifth spots, we have a classic culinary duo, olive oil and tomatoes. Let's start with olive oil. No ordinary oil, this elixir is brimming with monounsaturated fats. These fats are champions in the fight against bad cholesterol and high blood sugar levels. The result? A smoother, less obstructed highway for your blood cells to travel on. But that's not all. Olive oil is also a goldmine of antioxidants, which tackle harmful free radicals and reduce inflammation. Now let's turn our attention to the humble tomato. This vibrant fruit is a powerhouse of lycopene, a pigment that gives tomatoes their iconic red color. Lycopene is a tireless worker, helping to prevent heart diseases by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Pair these two together, and you've got a heart-healthy feast. Olive oil's rich, buttery taste perfectly complements the refreshing tanginess of tomatoes. So why not whip up a salad with these two heart-friendly ingredients? Our sixth and seventh spots are taken by some fruity favorites, berries and citrus fruits. Aren't they just a treat to the eyes and the palate? But the goodness of these vibrant foods extends far beyond their aesthetic appeal. Both berries and citrus fruits are chock full of antioxidants, those little warriors that fight off harmful free radicals in our bodies. Let's delve a bit deeper. Berries, with their wide array of colors, are a rich source of anthocyanins. These are a type of flavonoid that has been linked to improved heart health. They're also high in fiber, which can help control cholesterol and blood pressure. On the other hand, citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes pack a powerful punch of flavonoids and vitamin C. These nutrients work together to strengthen your heart's walls, improve blood flow, and stave off inflammation. So, go ahead and add a burst of color and health to your diet. And finally, for our eighth spot, we have a treat for the sweet-toothed dark chocolate. Now don't let the word chocolate fool you into thinking this is an excuse to indulge in your favorite confectionery. We're talking about dark chocolate, the kind that's at least 70% cocoa. This particular treat is chock full of antioxidants known as flavonoids. These little powerhouses are renowned for their ability to prevent the buildup of plaque in the arteries. So, while you're savoring that bittersweet, rich flavor, you're also giving your heart a helping hand. And isn't that a delightful two-for-one deal? But remember, moderation is key, so don't go swapping your fruits and veggies for a chocolate bar just yet. Remember, a bit of dark chocolate can do more than just satisfy your sweet tooth. So, there you have it. 8 fantastic foods that can help unclog your arteries and prevent heart attacks. Let's do a quick run-through, shall we? First up, we have the mighty avocado, a powerhouse of monounsaturated fats that keep those arteries supple and inviting. Then, we swim into the world of fatty fish, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are like little superheroes fighting against artery blockage. Next, we wander into the forest of nuts and seeds, teeming with heart-friendly fats, fiber, and protein. And who can forget the dynamic duo of olive oil and tomatoes? With their antioxidants and lycopene, these two are a tag team in promoting heart health. The berry and citrus fruit family also join the party, bringing along their antioxidants and flavonoids, ready to defend your heart against disease. And last but certainly not least, we have dark chocolate, the sweet treat that's rich in flavonoids and has a heart of gold. These 8 foods are not just delicious but also incredibly beneficial for your heart. But remember, it's not only about adding these foods to your diet but also about maintaining a balanced and healthy lifestyle. Regular exercise, adequate sleep, and managing stress levels are equally important for optimal heart health. So go ahead, mix and match these foods, create your heart-healthy recipes, and enjoy the journey to better heart health. Remember, variety is the spice of life, and your heart will thank you for this flavorful adventure. Remember, your heart is in your hands, so make the right dietary choices and give it the care it deserves.